Hi everyone. In this video, I will explain how to operate a Google Meet link when you have either Android phone or a pad here. Okay, Android pad. In this type, how can you access the Google Meet link through Google Calendar here? First of all, through Play Store, you have to install three apps here. Google Calendar app. First one is Google Calendar app. Another one is Google Meet app here. Google Meet app, that is also you have to install here. Google Meet app, that is also you have to install Google Meet app here. And then further you have to install Google Classroom. Three apps you have to install here. Okay? Three apps you have to install: Google Meet, Google Calendar, and then Google Classroom. Google Classroom. Three apps you have to install. After installing these three apps in your Android phone or pad, iPad or so on here, and then you can see your installation things here. Classroom is appearing here, and then Google Meet is also appearing here. Similarly, Google Calendar, that is also appearing here in the part here. Then you click the Google Calendar here, Google Calendar app here. Then it will automatically synchronize all your Gmail account. It will synchronize all your Gmail account here. You see that all the Gmail account, it will synchronize here. After synchronizing all the Gmail account here, you see that under sastra.ac.in account, my two classes are enrolled here. Okay? Two classes are enrolled here. First BTech first semester, and then first MTech first semester. These two classes are enrolled here. But I have four classes this semester here. Remaining two classes are not enrolled here. Therefore, for that, you go to settings here. Go to settings, and then under ac.in account here. Under sastra.ac.in account. Yes, I have only two classes are enrolled here, and you put a click one more show more. The show more many classes again shows here. It show again many classes here, but these classes are already comes under the previous semester. Therefore, you choose the classes under this semester here, under this semester. So I have this class here, first MCA class here. As you put synchronize this, you put a tick mark here, put a tick mark or open that button here. Okay, open that button, then it will synchronize that MCA class here. And then one more class I have here, another classes will be, and then probability random process class here. Yes, third year BTech, this class here, third BTech first semester here. That's also, if you put that on button here, then it will, that calendar will be synchronized here. That calendars are that classroom will be synchronized under this calendar here, under this calendar here. Yes, now you see that here many classes are appearing on this October, that month here. Okay, many month here. And also I am getting that all the four classes are synchronized now here. All the four classes, you see the left side here, all the four classes are synchronized now here. That is okay. Now it is somewhat of cloudy here when you click throughout the month here. Therefore, instead of, to avoid that kind of idea, then you can put a day instead of month here. If you put a day here, therefore on that day, 29th Thursday, what are the classes you have here, then you can get that here. Okay, you can get that here. Now if I click that class here, then it will ask join with Google Meet, and then everything you can get here, everything get in that place here, in that place here. That's the idea, you can get that. Otherwise, if you click again one more time that date here, it will display remaining 5 days, 5 to 6 days days of coming days here. And then you see that here the next Friday, 30th Friday, I have first class is applied mathematics class here. Therefore, I can join with the Google Meet. If I click the Google Meet, you can get the corresponding link, and also Google Meet app will be enabled here. Therefore, similarly, next class is EM1 class here, and the Saturday three classes here. Similarly, we can get all the classes meet link here. All the classes meet link. This is the way you can get that. Therefore, I will explain one more time here. One more time. Then first, first you have to go through, go to calendar, Google Calendar app here. Google Calendar app here, and then in the Google Calendar app, you check that all your classes are synchronized under sastra.ac.in account here. All your classrooms are synchronized here. If it is not synchronized, then you go to settings here. Go to settings here. In the go to settings option, after go to settings, you can see that ac.in account, sastra.ac.in account, how many classes are missed here. For that you have a show more option here, and in which what are the classes you have to include. You click that class here, click that class, then enable that button here, synchronize button here, enable. If you are not don't want to synchronize that classroom here, again lock that button here. Then suppose it is a previous semester class, you can unlock, you can lock that button also here. In that way you can synchronize it. After synchronizing, you can see that all your classes will be synchronized here under Google Calendar. All your classrooms are synchronized under Google Calendar here. Then you can get corresponding class link also here. Then you can change Google Calendar day, week, month, and so on here. Is if you change by day, that is a better thing here. Therefore, on that day, how many classes are there? For that, you can get a Google Meet link here. Google Meet link here. This is the way to identify getting the Google Meet link under the either tab or Android mobile phone here. Android mobile phone.